This is the car parking test now. This is the police here in the car test parking, where you can make your own license or your own driving license in the car parking, car license. You are now trying the difference here where you are car parking, and now the beautiful. It is easily to have your learn here parking the beautiful ways. It is nicely to have the first step, the second step is now start now. You can learn from here to car parking. It is a beautiful way you can park here now, and it is easily way you can learn easily, and your ideas and the different your minds you can learn from the different ways to there easily you can pass your car parking test. Now the third point is now start, where you can enter the barrier, and the barrier is now down, then you can enter. It is the nicely learning test here. You have a beautiful way to easily parking here. Now the you have easily to park your way. Wow, nice. Now again you can park going to the destination easily, and again to have beautiful stands here. And now the parking again and again, and there is a beautiful ways again. You are on the way on their position where you can stop your car. Now the fourth step is now start, and now again you have a different parking barrier here. You can no hitting. It is your fault. You cannot have. Now again back your car. Again your barrier is off. You can on the destination. Again you stop your car, and wow, oh no, it's not. You don't have it your barrier. When you are hit, you can fail your test. Again you pass your barrier. Now the fifth step will now start, and again you can pass again you turn. Firstly you can pass your car, go stop, not again back your car. Again you turn your steering, and with fullestly you can turn your again your back your some car again, and you can now the turn first in gear. Now you pass your test. Now the game will start now, and again you are the different car here. You can pass your barrier, and again you some weight and brake your, and the barrier is down, and you can pass the barrier, and now you can it is on this far destinations. And now the sixth step is now start now, and the barrier is open. You can pass your car on the different barriers. Again you turn on, and the beautiful your skills have your pass your test. You have more learn from here. The on the base you can clear your test, and your the high level your driving test. Now the seventh step is now start now, and again on the barrier, on the pass, on the test, on the upper side, on the turning here. Again you turn here. Wow, nicely to show their destination. Now clearly you are pass again easily. Oh no, hit back your car again. It is oh now you have passed your stand. Again you can now there is different ways. It is so difficult, but you cannot lose your hope, and you will there the less you pass again. Wow, again hit not hit. Again you wow, again you clear your now the back some car, and again stop. Now again, and clear your ways again, and wow, nicely to your turn on, and nice to your on the destination you have passed. Easily you can pass your test on there in the, and you can make your own. Again you are the know the stunts here. Again some stop here, brake here, and the barrier is off, and you are going on the where is some the barrier on the turning point here, on the some here, and some different stunts. And again on the destination, on the ways to on the different destinations. Again you turn on car, and it is easily way to your turn on car. So easily you can going on the destination where you can pass on the ways, and you pass there the stand. So on the turning pair, now this one back here. Wow, stop, not brake, you lose your brake. Now the back sum, and again you are on the turning. Clearly you are turn your steering, not hitting, and again on the ways to do your pass your test. It is easily where you can pass your test. Now the 8th stamp is now start. Is again you have a black car and not hitting. Just so I am sometime you are learning. It is so not difficult. You have imagined that easily you are the Prado test here. Do the now the again the barrier is now start now and going on the destinations. Now you can back your Prado and now plus your skills, show your skill, and now clearly pass your skill. Clearly, wow, again beautiful. On the way to the destinations, and nicely to have different ways. Again, need to show the different stunts here. Clearly, you are not hitting your barrier where you have failed your test. Again the different ways on the destinations. Again a lucky bike to have different ways and nicely to have crunch your time. Again you are different times here again, and you are lucky time, and it is a beautiful stance here. You have again a different barrier here, and turning it is easily, so you are turning your car on the way, but sometimes you have some difficult barrier here. Now again you are the barrier here, and the beautiful ways on the turning point here, and the barrier is so close you can turn here and closely you are steering. Oh, not hitting your car again. You are the beautiful ways to clear your test. Again the new barrier is now start now. It is so sometimes easily and sometimes difficult. Not hitting your ways. It is the barrier is so off. You can some close. Again you have different ways to the turning point. Not hitting. It is so difficult. You can clear your brake. You use a brake. It is some practice way. You are practicing. You have not your girl here. Driving test. Now the yellow car here start now, going on the turning point here, on the way to clear your steerings, on the ways to turn here. You can learning more and more from here. Not hitting it is the best way to you are not guilt. Again you turn your arms again. Wow, it is so difficult your turning point here, and it is sometimes clearly it is so difficult, but you have not any mistake on the driving test. Okay, some clearly to stand you there. It is so difficult not using the brake. You can use your brake here on turning point. Okay, now the clear your test now, and you have the beautiful ways. Okay, now again you will be clear your stance here, and again you have the different barrier is off going now the turning point here. Again you clear your steering. Again now come back yours again, come back to your car. Now you clear your steering and oh, not difficult. Wow, nice your steering, fast your steering. Okay, and now again you are the difficult time is again start now. Again back your car. Barrier is so heavy going on the destinations. So I think all my viewers learn from more here. Barrier is off. Now the barrier is open. When the barrier is open, the car is now again start now, and I'm turning on the ways on destination. Thanks for watching, and we are more learning here. Please subscribe my channel. It is your best now. Thank you. Thanks for watching.